What's up, baby girls? Welcome to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. It's your girl Pinky. So as you see, at this side is glam, and this side I have nothing on because I'm gonna be doing a zombie look. So if you're interested, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe, and also go follow me and subscribe on Rumble. Rumble is where I do more like talking, and you can hear the music that I play in the background. And here on YouTube, I can only play with the music that YouTube allows me to play. So yeah, I won't be doing, and I don't do much talking, but I'm gonna be doing talking. So go to Rumble. We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
So we're gonna be start using some lipstick, some liquid lipsticks. Do option whenever these kind of blood. So I'm gonna be using this blood. I like this cute little brush right here that I use for my liquid latex so I don't ruin my makeup brushes. And we have some paper, some napkins we're gonna be using. So I'm gonna be doing like a zombie look, half glam and half grace. So let's get to it. I'm gonna put some music on. So YouTube, I'm gonna be putting the music that it allows me to get. So go to Rumble. Make sure if you want to listen to whatever I'm playing in the background. Alright, let's get started.
drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on Marisreviewchannel. See you guys next time. Peace out.